Hey, what's up? It's Detroit PE here, and today I'm going to show you a really easy way to start duplicating all of your games to put out a bunch of different versions of the same game to keep your kids engaged and to have them really have a lot of fun during your PE class. So if you don't know who I am, or if you're new to my channel, I am the voice behind Detroit PE. You can go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm kind of excited because I'm hoping today I get 1,000 subscribers. I'm just really excited. I'm really happy to have all of you guys along with me on my journey to help you in your PE classes or your kids at home, or just maybe you do my workout videos. I don't know, but thank you guys so much. So I'm hoping to see 1,000 today on this Friday. I'm going to celebrate maybe. But I also have a blog. It's called www.thephysicaleducationteacher.com. So go check that out. I have all my videos on there, but I also do a lot of virtual game ideas or teaching ideas and just things that I've gone through that have helped me or maybe didn't help me. And I just share my story, and I have a lot of health and wellness tips on there as well. So go check that out if you have some time. But anyways, here's my YouTube channel, and I wanted to just do a quick little scroll through my videos here. So, I mean, look at how many math trivia fitness games I have. I don't know, 12, I think there are. I have a bunch of seated workouts here. I have a ton of Among Us workouts. And you might think, oh my God, did that take you so long to create all those games? Well, the answer is no. In the beginning, yeah. So way back here, oh my goodness, it would take me so long to make these because I wanted to make them perfect. And they didn't even look that great. But then once I got up here, I started realizing I can duplicate these super easily. And especially once I got up here to more of my newer ones, I start putting in frames, and I'll kind of go over that in my video, but I can just put these out really quickly. So my kids always have new content daily, almost daily. Sometimes I'll even slow down how fast I put them out, and I'll hide them on my YouTube just because, I have so much more to create. But anyways, let's head on over to Canva, and now I'm going to use the free version of Canva. So I'm using my work email, and that is because I want to make sure those of you that don't want to upgrade to Pro, you have all of these options as well. So everything I show you, you will be able to do on your own too, plus a lot more. So you'll look down here and you'll see these are a couple of my designs that I've made other videos for. You can check those out on my YouTube. But right here, we're going to look at dance yoga. So right now, if you click on this, I have a whole entire dance yoga game. And this is shorter than what I would typically make. But as you can see here, the kids are going to dance, yoga pose. And then they're going to wait a minute, dance, yoga pose, dance, yoga pose, and so on and so forth. So I want to recreate this game, but I don't want to spend the time to go through all of this. So I'm just going to close out of here, and up in this corner, these 3 dots, I'm going to click here, and I'm going to go to make a copy. Now, when I click on this, the exact same copy comes up, but now I'm going to change my title up here to Dance Yoga Volume 2. So now I have a brand new game, and really I have all the same themes going. If you want to keep your themes the same, this is the way to go. But if you want to change everything up, I mean, you can start from scratch. That's fine too. But look at all of my animations are here. So my main screen, my main page is a block, and this slide will show for 8 seconds. Get rid of this. My how to play page, it's the same directions. I have a animation. It's going to rise in, and then this is going to be shown for 8 seconds. My get ready page, it's going to pop in, and then it's going to show for 5 seconds all the way through my entire game. And you can see here it says Canva on it because this is a Pro feature, and I stole it from when I made this in my Pro version, but we're going to change that today. All right, so let's start up at the beginning. I want to keep everything the same, except I am going to add a volume 2 right here. Volume 2. Okay, so now all of my students will know, or teachers, if you're making this for other teachers, oh, this is a different version, because sometimes it's hard to distinguish. But as long as you've got volume 2 up there, they know it's different. And we're going to make it nice and pretty. Under that. That's good enough. All right, now let's put an effect on it. Let's do this. I like this one. I've been messing with that lately. Okay, and then we're going to actually change our volume to pink. And there you go. And you know, you can change it. Sometimes I like to angle mine up like this, and I'll put it over here and maybe put it behind. I mean, it doesn't look great, but you get the gist. So like if this was a different color, it'd probably look cool. But you can just do little editing hacks like that. We'll actually leave it like that, just to kind of make your game just look more visually appealing to anyone's eye. And that's my main focus when I'm creating these two. What do I want to see? And then everyone's going to have a different preference. So people are going to look at my games and they're going to say, ew, that's ugly. I don't like that. But it doesn't matter to me, because as long as I like it, that's all that matters. But the same with you. So you're going to create a game and other people might say that doesn't look that good, but it looks good to you. And so that's what's really cool about Canva, is there's so many different options, and even in the free version. All right, so now we're going to move on down. My directions stay the same. My get readies, they always stay the same, because my kids always know to look for, okay, get ready. It's your rest time for 5 seconds. Now, we don't want to have all the same dance moves in here, or even the same yoga poses. We want to switch it up. This is volume 2. This should be different. So I'm going to actually make this smaller. I can see a little bit more what I'm doing. And we're going to start with this alien here. I'm going to get rid of him. Okay, and then I'll go down to more, and this Giphy or Jiffy app right here, this is where I get all of my animated pictures. So you're going to click on it, and then dance. You can do kids. You can do basically anything. Kids love the floss, right? So here we go. We're going to steal this picture, and we're going to just change it up. Now, I'm going to crop it because I don't want it to be as wide. And then let's move our background. And we can grab them together. Now also, see how I just grabbed both of those together? When this slide comes in, oh, didn't animate. When this slide comes in and I show you, let's go back. Sorry, hang on one second. Sometimes it doesn't work. When it rises in, sometimes if you don't have it grouped, it will rise in, as you can see on the next one. They tumbled in. This one here did it. It tumbles in as 2 different elements. If you go ahead and group those together, they're going to tumble in together. So now, go back. See how it tumbled in together instead of separately? So that's an option for you. I kind of like the tumble in as different elements. So I'm going to go ahead and ungroup that. Okay, let's see. Let's change this guy up. We'll go back here. Dance fun. You know, you can just kind of play around with it. This guy's cute. It's really kid friendly. Bam, we're good. All right, we want to get rid of these pictures because we've already used them all. I'm going to go ahead and do this. Now, one thing that is super cool is the frame element. And I talked about it in a different video. If you put a frame element in your game, any picture that you put into this frame is going to size up exactly how you want it. So an easy way to do this is to just copy this. Okay, now let's go back to my kid yoga pose. We're going to get rid of that, and we're going to paste it. Okay, get rid of this guy. Paste my background with my frame. Get rid of this guy. Paste my background with my frame. And that's it. So now, when you go to put something in here, it's already going to be lined up perfectly, and your picture is going to fit exactly in this frame here. So let's do yoga. Okay. What do we want to put in our game? Let's have our kids do this. So we're going to just go ahead and drag and drop right into that frame. Drag and drop right into that frame. And so this looks like it's a pro feature, and I'm sorry that I just put that on there. And it has the Canva background. I don't really care about that, but if you don't want that in your game, just look for any pictures that don't have this pro feature. And then you can double click on it and move that right into the frame so it's easier for the kids to see. Let's do this one. And did I have that picture already? No. Cool. Okay, and so you get it. It's, you know, That's all you have to do. And then you can just go through and change all your animated pictures. Let's put the astronaut. Oh, excuse me, I can't speak. Astronaut in here. He's pretty cool. And we'll actually change his background color to pink. That looks bad. Canva is just so fun to play around with. I could spend literally all day just making games or content. I'm coming out with a newsletter, so that was super fun to play around with. Okay, that looks good. And then I'm not going to change them all, but I've literally just created a whole new game for my kids by barely doing anything. I am going to see if we can just use Google. So let's do yoga pictures, images. So we're going to take this picture and put it right into our game. Is it going to work? Maybe not. I'm trying to see if you can just grab images from Google. Put it here. Oh, you can. Okay, so there you go. So if Canva, the free version, is not giving you the images that you want, you can pull them from Google. Be careful because these can be copyrighted. So I like to use what is at my fingertips, and especially for the paid version, I get a lot more, and I can use pictures, and they don't flag as copyrighted pictures because I'm paying for Canva to give me those. So, but that is an option too if you're not really worried about anything like that. So that is it. That is recreate a game super quickly, and bam, you're done. Always change the music because your kids want to have something different to listen to. And remember, like I said, if you go up here to these little controls, just click free and all your free music will come up. So just put one on here. Doesn't matter. You can change the volume settings if you would like to. And then if you want to watch your game, and there you have it. So that is it. Leave me questions in the comments if you would like to. Like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to download your games. Make sure you download them as an MP4 download, and they come up right here, and you're all set. And you got a brand new game for your kids that took you 10 minutes to recreate. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I will be talking to you soon. Thank you.